There's an abandoned ship in the Turks and Caicos where jet skis can go. Do you know how it got here? You said 21 years ago? A hurricane.
The island over there.
Yeah.
And yeah, during the hurricane, there was a storm surge, so the water level rose. It was like deeper than this.
Yeah.
And they kind of picked the ship up out there.
Oh shit.
And dragged it out here, and then kind of dropped it.
Damn,
It's like settled into the sand now as well.
is it anchored or no?
It was like a hold of it. It's kind of like buried itself.
That's wild. Yeah, it look rusty as hell. Yeah. Look like you'll get hepatitis. Were there any people on board when it happened? No? Okay. You're recording? You're recording? Woo! Look at that house right there.